feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A smoker's cough can signal early lung damage. It's your lungs reacting to smoke irritation. Persisting coughs may point to chronic bronchitis or early COPD. If your cough lasts more than a few weeks, consult a healthcare provider for advice and support.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.